Before you begin, remove the stand and partially remove the rear cover. On some systems, the fan must also be removed because the wireless LAN board is located below the fan. Removal. Carefully detach the antenna connectors from the board. Some units may have only one antenna connected to the board. Remove the Phillips No. 1 screw, securing the wireless LAN board in place. The board will pop up. Pull the wireless LAN board out of its motherboard socket. Replacement. The wireless LAN board has a notch offset from the center that aligns over a key in its motherboard socket. To replace the wireless LAN board, angle the board into its motherboard socket at a 30-degree angle and press down. Hold it down while replacing the screw. Reattach the antenna connectors to the wireless LAN board. The antenna connectors are labeled 1 and 2 and should be connected to the corresponding 1 and 2 labeled ports on the board.